What's up, everybody? It's your boy Critical back for another ass-blasting, typecasting meme review. Now, on my last glowing effects tutorial video, some guy commented asking for a tutorial probably on how to, do inner glowing effects, which I have to assume means glowing effects within the selected area instead of, like, glowing outside of it. I know that's kind of a weird statement, but, you know, I'm pretty sure I know what he means. So I decided to just use the same art piece as last time to demonstrate this. You can see the layers here from the first tutorial. But anyways, so I'm just going to copy this color layer so we can work with that. And the first thing you're going to want to do is have these, all out and ready to go. Deselect the line art so you can select the color inside. Can't talk today. Just like last time. Gotta say, I'm pretty consistent, So let's just color select these parts that we want to be glowing. So what we're gonna want to do is select the color here and actually select a darker version of that color. And then the easiest way to do this is to just create a new layer and then remove all the visible layers, so you can just use the fill bucket on this layer. Oh, I have the eraser on. Don't have the eraser on if you want to, not erase things. That's hot tip of the day. So yeah, you just use the fill bucket to fill those, and then you just deselect it. Well, actually, maybe keep it selected for that later step. But anyways, then you have that, and then you just merge that back down, and then you create a new layer. You're just gonna want to get that color you want the glow to be. Alright, so now you're gonna want to do the fill step again, like that. But now this time what you're gonna want to do is shrink the selection by however much. We'll go with, I don't know, 12 just for the sake of this demonstration. And then just delete that. Then you're gonna want to just make that selection again, so you have the full size selection. And so now you have that. And the reason you want to have this selected is so that the glow doesn't go outside of the selection, it'll just go in when you blur it. So now we just come back to the color layer for the glow, and then we hit blur. Let's go with about 10 like last time. I don't know, that's not a very convincing glow. So let's just crank it up a bit. 50. Yeah, that's definitely a bit much. I guess this works. And so now you have that internal glow going on. But of course you're probably going to want it, more intense than that. So we're just going to repeat the same effects we did with the last glowing tutorial. And there you have your internal glow. Now obviously, you can adjust this to, make the glow more intense or less intense. Just do whatever you want with it. Like, you can just copy this layer to infinity if you want it to be like a really powerful glow. If you want it to be more extensive, then you're gonna want to, increase the area, the color covers. It's not very helpful advice, but, I'm not a very helpful person who can't say words. But anyways, that's the basics of it. That should have you covered for the most part. Have a good day.